Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Workable, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Workable website at workable.com. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address carefully. Next, create a secure password for your account. Ensure your password meets the security requirements shown. Once your email and password are entered, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email from Workable. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to the Workable site. You may be asked to fill out your profile information. Enter your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Select your role or position from the drop-down menu. Fill in any additional information as requested. After completing your profile, click on the Continue button. You will now be guided through basic setup options. Follow the prompts to choose your preferences. Set your company's name and other relevant details. Select your preferred job board integrations, if applicable. Once you've made your selections, click on Finish Setup. Congratulations, your Workable account is now set up. You can begin exploring the features available to you. Start by creating your first job listing or navigating the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available tools. Consider visiting the Help Center for additional resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.